Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Did you know 3 superstar colors create all the others? Let's jump into the world of red, yellow, and blue, the dazzling stars of the color show.
Mina, look! This flower has so many colors. Red petals, yellow leaves, it's like magic. Wow, it's like a rainbow in a garden. I wonder where all these colors come from. What if we could find the secret of where these colors start?
What's this I hear about colors?
Haseeb, we want to know where all the colors come from. Like these beautiful flowers.
Well, there are 3 very special colors that are the starting point for every other color in the world. These colors are called primary colors.
Primary colors? What does that mean, big brother?
The primary colors are the most important colors because they cannot be created by mixing other colors. It means these colors are so special because you can't make them by mixing other colors together. They are the very first colors you start with, like the building blocks for everything else.
So, what are these magical colors, Haseeb?
Well, they are red, yellow, blue. These are the primary colors. And you can find them in lots of places around you. Look at that red flower. The yellow leaves of tree. And the blue sky. These are all primary colors.
Okay, I got it.
Mina. Let's talk about the primary colors, the most powerful colors in the world.
Are they like superheroes, Mama?
You got it. Red, yellow, and blue are the superheroes of colors. These colors are pure and unique. They are used in art and nature to create a variety of other colors, such as orange, green, and purple. But remember, red, yellow, and blue are the building blocks.
So, can I paint a picture with just those 3 colors?
Absolutely. Red, yellow, and blue are all you need to create beautiful pictures. Now, guess the things that are red.
Apple, strawberry, and chili are red.
Which things are yellow?
Lemon, sunflower, and sun are yellow.
Last, tell me some blue things.
Blue whale, pants, and blueberry are all blue.
These are great choices, Mina. Mina, do you know? Artists and designers use primary colors to create a wide range of colors and tones by combining them in different ways. For example, by adjusting the brightness, darkness, or mixing them in different amounts, artists can create entire color palettes.
Mama, that's interesting. Thank you.
Now it's the time for quiz. Which of these colors is a primary color? Option A, blue. Option B, purple. Option A is correct. Primary colors are special because they cannot be made by mixing other colors. Which of these objects is mostly the color red? Option A, an apple. Option B, a banana. Excellent. Option A shows the drawing of an apple. Which of these objects is mostly the color yellow? Option A, a sun. Option B, a ball. Good job! Option A is correct. The sun is bright and yellow. Red is a primary color. Is this statement true or false? Perfect! This statement is true. Yellow is made by mixing red and blue. Is this statement true or false? This statement is true. Yellow is a primary color and cannot be made by mixing other colors. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be stirring up some magic by mixing colors. What happens when red meets blue or yellow meets red? Let's find out together.